Welcome to the M40 new Redmi 12R, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So open first the settings application, and after that scroll to the sounds and vibration. You'll see here media ring and alarm volume panels. To change the volumes, we should slide to the left or to the right side these volume panels with your finger. Here we could change the ringtone, calendar, notification sounds. In sound assistant section, we could adjust media sound in multiple apps and to switch multiple audio sources. So to activate or turn off these options, we should use these switchers. We could activate or turn off the silent mode to silence media in silent mode, to turn on or turn off the don't disturb mode, and additional settings. We got the dial button, stop sounds, lock and lock sounds, screenshot, uninstall and deleting item sounds, charging sounds, and startup sounds. So just to activate or turn off these options, we should click on each of the switchers. Let's go back, and here also we got the vibration for calls, vibration in silent mode switchers. We could turn it on or turn it off. In vibration on top, we could turn off the vibration on top to use the light one, medium, or the strong one. And in sound effects, we could switch here the preset from smart to music, video, and voice. And also you could also here switch the earphone control settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.